In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw crypto on the KuCoin website. Withdrawing crypto from your KuCoin account is simple and straightforward. 1. Visit KuCoin and log in to your account. Click on Asset located in the upper right corner of the header. Click on Withdraw from the options presented, and then select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Fill in the recipient's wallet address and choose the corresponding network. Next, input the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. And click Confirm to proceed. Just note that you have sufficient funds is mandatory in your KuCoin funding account or trading account before attempting a withdrawal. If needed, transfer funds to the appropriate account beforehand. A security verification window will appear. Fill in the required fields including trading password, verification code, and Google 2FA. Once all fields are filled, submit the withdrawal request. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.